All right, college algebra homework day 27 says finding where a function is increasing, decreasing, or constant given the graph. So if it is going to be determine the intervals on which the function is strictly increasing, we want to look at our graph to find the sections of our graph where our line is going uphill as I go from left to right. This section is decreasing, this one is constant, this one is increasing, this one is constant, this one is increasing. When I'm determining the intervals, I'm looking at the domain. So I'm looking at the x values of each of those endpoints. This one has an x value of 0. It goes to 1. Now the endpoints are not increasing or decreasing, so we're going to use parentheses. You'll always just use parentheses on here. Some textbooks will use a bracket, but most of them just use the parenthesis. Either really should be correct. We're going to use parentheses. We have a second section, so we're going to join it with the union symbol. This section, the x value of this point is at 3. The x value of that point is at 5. So from 3 to 5, it is also increasing. So my line is increasing from 0 to 1, 3 to 5. If we look at number 2, number 2 says determine the intervals on which the function is decreasing. Where is it decreasing? Well, it's decreasing right here. Then it's increasing. Then it's decreasing again. Then it's constant. Then it's increasing. So I have two sections again. The x value of the endpoint. So from -7 to -5. Always go from left to right like you read. -3 to 0 would be our other section. People always like to mess up on that 0, but that is at 0. So from -7 to 5 it's decreasing, from -3 to 0 it is also decreasing. Our third one here, determine the intervals on which the function is strictly constant. Where is it constant? Well, it's decreasing, then it's increasing, then it's decreasing, then it's increasing. That's the only section where it's constant. The x values of the endpoints, 2 to 6. So from 2 to 6 is the only section that this one is constant, so I just have that ordered pair from 2 to 6.